Okay, so I'm currently working on a few projects. They're surprises, so I can't post the process until I give those projects to the people I'm surprising. So I have to figure out a quick other way to make a video because I want to post a video every week, so I have to do something. So here's going to be a video of me. I'm setting up the wood lathe to work properly because it's not working properly at the moment. So here we go. It's not exactly the mechanism of the lathe that doesn't work. It spins fine. It's just these are in this wood, which is cheap wood. This is the same type of stuff that I'm carving with, and after my first wood turning project, it started to come loose, and I was actually trying to use a drill to get this out. It just kept spinning in one place, so that bolt isn't really holding anything, and it causes this whole thing to shake, and I was trying to wood turn this here, but as you can see, since it was so loose, this got loose and all came apart. So that's not good. That's no bueno. That's not what you want. So right now my goal is to get this whole wood cart, it's a nice working cart, over to that open area over there so I can get this done. Go Jaguars. I still believe in you. Now I got this over here into my working area, and I'm thinking of trying to get that metal slab underneath this so I can bolt this to the metal. That way it's not going to shake free, as long as the bolts stay tight. First things first, I'm going to have to clean all this off of this table, which shouldn't take long, hopefully. And yeah, once that's all off, I'll just get started. All right, well, this is on there now, and now I gotta measure this on that so I can put this on that. So it looks like I have made some miscalculations. Yeah, that's sticking out a lot. So I may potentially need to put this at an angle from corner to corner to make it fit. But I don't know if that'll work either. So let's see. Nice, it fits. So, wonderful time. Now I have to drill the holes through this piece of steel, this really solid piece of steel, and to do that I'm going to be using, I'm going to go through all of these probably. Yeah, if I ever start speaking highly of Ryobi, well, that probably means they're sponsoring me, which probably won't happen. So yeah, time to drill these and get rid of this set. 5.5 horsepower. Oh yeah. Well, I'm honestly kind of impressed by this drill bit. This one in particular is really good. It drilled through this with no problems, really. Didn't break or anything. So I'm not sponsored by Ryobi, but this drill bit made it, while others broke in drywall. Make it make sense. Anyway, this might be it for today's video. I'm still in progress of this project, but maybe I'll add more stuff to the video. And yeah, I'm gonna be holding it down with these bolts and these nuts and these washers, and it's a good time. So until next time, or possibly this continuing video, we shall see. All right, so that's it for today's video. I'm not going to be able to finish setting up the lathe for this specific video, but I want to upload a video or a couple shorts a week. So I will finish it up in another video and maybe even start a project. That's going to be pretty cool. So say your prayers and have a nice day.